exception of one bus.
Oh!
And perhaps now the box, all box of the rapid recovery bus. They're all still pretty much running.
Dennis the Menace, I don't know if he's gonna be out. Oh, it looks like several more are chasing each other. Like running in circles. I always run in circles too, you know. Whoa! Two buses smashing together. One's pretty good at driving backwards. Ooh, looks like Cheesebox is gonna come. Ooh! Oh man!
There was a series of hits up the backstretch that were pretty tough. Oh, the Demon Knights bus of Wayne O'Kula almost went over on its lid.
Cheesebox! 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 Yes!
He hit there by the Cheesebox, Michael Romney.
Oh yes! Hole in the head! That bus on with the black paint. I always shout out if he's gonna slam the other one. Ooh! That big. Ooh! The engine blow out. Whoa! Whoa! Watch out for that tire! Oh!
Yeah. Give me some of that.
Uh-oh. Is Cheesebox okay?
Short stuff. Warren out of his bus.
Uh-oh.
Yep. The Fox might be well. Yeah, I think the Fox is done for a few minutes here.
E69Z is gonna chase that Cheesebox. Oh!
So much for the tire.
Dennis the Man's gonna hit. Oh!
Yep.
Cheesebox is coming back.
Cheesebox.
Ooh.
To me, I think that John Dennis and Kevin Romney were having with the two best buses.
Whoa!
Yes.
Dennis the Menace. Whoa! Runaway tire.
The Z-Man, Ryan.
Oh, Kevo's chasing 69Z.
Oh boy.
Look out! Whoa! Oh! Yikes!
Got JYD, John Dennis is pretty good there.
What is Cheesebox doing? Pulling a tire? Whoa! Whoa! Just missed.
Wonder if he gets frustrated enough in that traffic up the Kings Highway in Brooklyn.
Look out!
Johnny Dennis wailing on Ryan Zerkowski, the Z-Man.
I'm gonna say this again. Here it goes. 1, 2.
Zerkowski laying one on Dennis.
2.5.
John Dennis is
Three.
following a cigar
Hold
on that one.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
Helmet on.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, now. Hold that head! And there goes Cheesebox pushing a tire.
Violation of these rules we're told. Get too many teeth.
Ooh. Try and get it.
Oh, almost knocked the ball cap off Cap Video.
Oh, sandwich.
Well, the U-tire, it worked well. Tank of fuel on the Bobcat, there are tires everywhere.
Seems like these buses, they're refusing to give up.
Hit up the backstretch. Kevin Romney puts a hit on Wayne O'Kula. The Z-Man Ryan Zerkowski steps aside a hit. I don't think the Cheesebox was going to lead with his nose. One never knows when it comes to
Whoa! Oh.
I'm starting to get the feeling that Cheesebox does not have a reverse. They're going forward now for the better part of 2 or 3 minutes here.
Ooh.
Wayno Cooler Club has gone up folks. Either that,
The muffler is about to fall off.
or his bandana has caught fire. Uh-oh, look out, look out.
Whoa!
D-Man gets a glancing glove.
Here goes. Here goes Dennis the Menace. Kevo!
I'm pushing.
Uh-oh. Cheese box might have blew a tire.
As far as the longevity,
Might be out for
Demolition
sure.
Derby car or bus or anything is got a leash with the back. The radiator is the very center. Look out.
Whoa!
Kevin Robbins.
Whoa! One of the busters got out for
Florida.
a big smoke.
I don't know how she can pull herself away from this.
It broke down. And the coolant's overheated, like the engine overheats. Well, looks like halfway to finish this race. Or should I say, the big July school bus smashing. Whoa! Oh! Oh man, cheese box is out because has no reverse left. Whoa! Only 4 to go. Oh!
John Dennis takes the lift from Brian Skowski right here by the starter stand. We have 4 buses. We do. Larry the Chief. That's him in that bus.
Oh! I was just gonna zoom away, but luckily I saw what happened.
Come on.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! 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 Woo! Whoa! Oh man! Dennis the Menace got stuck! Looks like one's gonna have to stop him soon. Looks like it's gonna be out for sure. Oh man. Not done yet.
I'll tell you right now.
69, the Z-Man still against Kevo.
Kevin Robbins and the Z-Man has a hole in the head now.
Ooh, I guess one of them can make the Dennis stop. Uh-oh. And the hole might have a live left. Uh-oh. I'm gonna say it one more time.
How could we forget Chris Van caught it for hole in the head? That's what it is. Chris Van Rollins. Chris Van Halen. Chris Van Alert. Chris Van Demolition.
Oh man, I might have missed what happened. Seeing the school bus got stuck with a giant tire. Uh-oh. Sounds like a lot more buses breaking down. That means it's almost over. Whoa!
Could be it. I don't think could be down to zero. Rain over that car. All the
Oh, looks like 2 to go left. And the hole's gonna make it. Oh!